Well, how you doing today? We're working on Algebra 2 here, topic 2, the topic review. And topic review. The other problem just matches, I believe. 35 total problems here. One we're doing now is a projectile is fired straight upward with the ground, or from the ground. So it's going to go up. And with an initial speed of the 160, that's the velocity that goes in front of your linear term there in terms of how the formula works. Then its height h in feet after t seconds is given by that function. And so what it's asking here, what's the maximum height? So if it goes up and comes down, that's asking you what is the vertex? And remember the x or t here is the time in seconds. And then the answer to the whole formula would be the height. So we need to find the vertex. So for example, on this problem, if we were to try and put this in, we could do it completing square form. We could do the x or t in this case equals negative b over 2a. So my b here would be the 160, so that'd be a negative 160 over 2 times the gravity coefficient of negative 16 on the quadratic term. And so we've got a negative 160 over, that's a negative 32. And so 16 over 32, that's like negative 10 over 2. And so that would be a, whoops, negative over negative, so a 5. So the maximum, it happens at 5 seconds if we're graphing it like this. So here's, if this was your 5 seconds, that's when the vertex occurs there. And then you plug that 5 into the original formula. So that's a negative 16 times your 5 squared, that's that first term there, plus 160 times the 5. And so then I'm going to just crunch that out over in a calculator. And I think if I use this Desmos calculator, you'll be able to see it. So that's negative 16, 5 in parentheses squared, plus 160, again, times my 5. And it says that's 400. So if I go and put that 400 in for my answer. So the height is, maximum height of the projectile is, I said 400, I believe. And the pull down, that is 400 feet. It's just a height. See how we did. That's all there is to it. So if you need to, slow this down. Don't forget on the bottom, if you need more help, you've got the view an example. That's the one I usually use. If you use the help me solve this, it'll walk you through it step by step, but then it makes you do the problem over anyway. And yeah, good luck. Don't give up. Keep after it. You got this.